This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. Over the weekend, Microsoft integrates its own product line with ChatGPT, and researchers use motion capture tech from Avatar films for disease research. Spotify joins in with a round of layoffs, and much more. Over the weekend, Microsoft has announced that it has opened access to its Azure OpenAI Service, which uses Microsoft's cloud computing technology to allow companies to use AI tools like ChatGPT. This move is part of Microsoft's ongoing partnership with OpenAI and follows the integration of OpenAI technology into Microsoft's own products, like Excel, PowerPoint, and Bing. The launch of Azure OpenAI Service continues a trend in big tech companies embracing the current generation of AI technology. However, this move comes after reports that the company has been in talks to invest $10 billion in OpenAI at the end of 2022, after first investing $1 billion in the company in 2019. Additionally, recent widespread layoffs at the company have affected teams working to integrate ChatGPT. A first wave of about 1,000 layoffs at the company this week include members of the internal team responsible for integrating ChatGPT technology into Bing. Despite this, Microsoft CEO predicts that the current generation of AI will cause a major shift in the industry, increasing human productivity, in turn bolstering economic growth and wages. Researchers from Imperial College and University College London have developed a new system that uses motion capture technology and artificial intelligence to quickly and accurately track the onset of diseases that impair movement. The technology, which was adapted from the technology used in film production to capture the movement of actors, was tested on patients with Friedreich ataxia and Duchenne muscular dystrophy in two separate studies. The results show that the AI system could predict the worsening of the disease over 12 months, which was half the time it would normally take an expert. The research also believed that the system could be used to speed up and lower the cost of clinical trials to test out new drugs for a wide range of conditions, particularly for rare genetic disorders. In today's news, music streaming service Spotify announced that it is cutting hundreds of jobs in the latest rounds of layoffs in the tech sector. The company said it would cut 6% of its staff, or about 600 workers, based on its last earnings report. CEO Daniel Ek announced the job cuts along with a handful of other changes to the business, including how its products and business teams are organized. Spotify's head of content and advertising, Don Orshoff, is also stepping away from the company and will take a senior advisor position to help with the changes. Ek said one-on-one conversations will take place with all employees affected by the job cuts, and employees are set to receive an average of 5 months of severance pay. Spotify joins a growing list of tech companies that have recently laid off staff, including Google, which announced last week that it would lay off 6% of its staff, or 12,000 workers, and Microsoft, which said it plans to lay off 5% of its staff, or 10,000 employees. In lighter news, U.S. dictionary publisher Merriam-Webster has acquired Quordle, a hit Wordle-style game created by Freddie Meyer. The game challenges players to guess 4 5-letter words at once with 9 attempts. The New York Times previously acquired the original Wordles for a low 7-figure sum, and Spotify has also acquired Hurdle, a song guessing game also inspired by Wordle, in July. Merriam-Webster's president, Greg Barlow, said Quordle was a favorite of Merriam-Webster's editors, and Meyer also expressed his excitement on the acquisition. However, the terms of the deals have not yet been revealed. Quordle fans may be happier with the change of ownership of their favorite app, as some reports suggest, as some players have been annoyed by the frequency with which the app repeats words, and now with a dictionary company in charge, hoping that Quordle will freshen things up. However, some fans of Wordle and Hurdle were unhappy with changes to the game following its sales. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.